Hi there, welcome to Spoken English course. This is the lecture 13 and today I will tell you how to request someone, how to take permission from someone. So this is the first structure you may use. Do you mind if? Do you mind if I sit here? That means you're asking for permission in a different way. You can say, may I sit here? That is also a structure verb's first form. Do you mind if I sit here? That's another style. Do you mind if I know your name? Do you mind if I go now? Do you mind if I ask for this information? That means, would you bother or not? Would you mind? That means, does this information or does asking about this information bother you or not? Next is, would you please, verb's first form. Would you please tell me about yourself? Tell. Would you please help me? Help, first form of verb. Would you please assist me in this project? Would you please guide me how to start writing in English? Guide me. Guide is the first verb. Guide. So here first verb with would you please. The next is would you like. This is the first form of verb. The next you have to connect it with another verb's first form. Would you like to help me? Would you help me is another way. Would you like to help me is another way. Would you like to help me? Would you like to tell me? Would you like to sit here? Would you like to have drink? Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have tea or coffee? So you're asking for permission, or you are asking for the choices. You are asking for the request. The next is, may you please wait. May you please wait for a while. May you please sit down here. May you please go outside the cafe. So like we are doing some sort of investigation here. May you please go outside the cafe. May you please show me your passport. May you please show me your ID card or driving license. So may you please plus verbs first form. The next and another structure is, if you would like to, if you would like to wait, I would be thankful. Like you may use double modal verb, even you can use will here. If you will please wait, I will call the principal. So in normal sentences, you do not have the permission to use will in both sides. Like you simply say, if you go to market, you will bring something for me. That is a structure. But when you have to do a request at extreme level, a formal way to request someone can be, you can use will on the both sides. If you will please wait for a while, I will call the principal. This structure will plus will has been mentioned in the book of John Eastwood, Oxford Practice Grammar. Oxford Practice Grammar. So this is the book name. The next structure is, you just changed the pronoun may I help you or how may I help you. How may I help you? How can I help you? Can is informal way. You can use can while talking with your friends or with your colleagues, with your partners, but may is a polite way to take permission from your senior ones, like teacher, principal, or maybe you have the appointment with the doctor. You would say, may I come in, sir? So may I come in. It's not come in. Most of the people think that it is coming. It's not coming. It's come in. Come in. When you do it in connected speech, You just come in. May I come in, sir? Could is even more polite than this one. Could I know your name? Could I take your name? That means you're requesting someone to tell his or her name. Could I help you? Could I help you? Could I know about you? Could I have your phone number, please? So phone number could is linked to have the request for the phone number. Even you can use you instead of I. Could you please sit here? Here. Could you please allow me to know your name? That's another way. Could you please tell me the best way to learn English? If you text me, if you text a teacher or any person on the social media, you think he should be treated in a formal way, you would say, could you please tell me about your course details? Could you please tell me further details of your course? Thank you for watching this video. In this lecture, we learned the art of requesting and taking permission. In the next lecture, I would be talking on the other topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye.